Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable your email notification on your Daraz account. So first you're going to download the Daraz app, then go to it. Then once it opens, you're going to click on the account section. Then next you're going to click on the settings on the top right corner. Then next you're going to click on message. Then next you're going to scroll. So as you can see, there's the email option which is turned off. So you're going to turn it on. So now you can receive their newsletters and their recommendations via your email. So this is how you turn it on. So now you can go back and show whatever you like. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.